Alright guys, we got a beautiful day today. About 15 degrees. It's warm, but it has been so cold I haven't been able to do anything outside at all. It's just been horrible. But now, that's broke. So I'm gonna smoke a turkey today. Alright, there she is, in the snow. I'm gonna open her up, see how everything is in there, make sure it ain't all froze. Last time everything was froze up, I had to put a damn torch to it to move the air intakes and things. Let's see what happens today. That looks good. Everything moves around. We need the torch this time, that's good. We got ice in the snow and sear there. I'm just gonna torch it on out. Let it dry up a little bit. Snow on the other side don't matter where the water goes, just let it stay right there. Let's get rid of all this. Alright, got the coals fired up. Right there, and let them go a while, and I'm gonna get that bird ready. There's the grill, got the slow and sear ready to go. A little bit of coals in it. The rest of that stuff I'm just gonna leave there and let it melt down. Alright, there's the star of the show. Shady Brook Farms frozen turkey. About 20 pounder. Alright, these guys are ready. I'm going to throw them in there. So, got the coals in there. We're going to shut this thing up. Leaving the vents wide open because I want this to heat up to like 500 degrees. Alright, we got Mr. Bird. Give him a bath. Scrubbed under his arms and such. Got him all nice and clean. Patted him dry so he's all dry. In this bowl here I've mixed up some herbs I want to use. I had a little bit of melted butter in here. I got some garlic powder. I got fresh rosemary, a little bit of sage, and some basil and a tad of onion powder. What I'm going to do with this is get it under the skin and rub it on the breast. All in. You can get your hand in there if you go real slow and just kind of get the skin back. A little bit way back. I already opened up the skin so to speed up the video. But this works pretty good. Rub that all on there. Now I'm not going to season the outside of the skin because nobody here eats the skin, so there's just no point in doing that. Alright, that's beautiful. Side of that, breast, that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rub the outside with some olive oil just so it'll look pretty, and then we're going to throw it out there on the smoker. Let it do the thing. It's about ready. It's up to 450. We're going to go throw that bird on there. Let it get back up to temp. It's probably about 11 degrees out here right now, so the temps are dropping. Alright, I got the bird on there. The grill was up to about 450. I added some more coals in there to keep this going on good. Now it's going to take a while to get it back up to temp because it is 11 degrees out. I want this as hot as I can get it, like about 450, 500 degrees for about a half hour. And then I'm going to lower it, I hope. Alright, so it's been on there at about 450 degrees. I shut these vents a bit here. I got the bottom one shut down between 1/8 and 1/4. We're going to let this go down on its own. I'm just going to monitor this. When it's at about somewhere between 225 and 250, that's where I want it to go for the rest of this cook. I got the meat thermometer inside the bird there, so I'm not going to open this lid till this is done. Alright, that's where we are right now. I could sit here and watch the game. And I see that this one's here, the temp in the grill. This is inside the meat. So I'm good to just hang out till till I reach temp. You see that grill temp's going down since I shut down them vents a little bit. I gotta be careful not to go too far with that. Alright. Now she's going pretty good. Smells awful good. The hardest thing about doing this in the wintertime was heating it up in the beginning of the cook. I would rather have it up at 500 degrees, but I could only get it to go 450. So you got to think about the temperature here and the amount of coals you're going to need to achieve what you want. Ain't like in the summer. Alright, Mr. Meat Timer says 165. Look at that bad boy. I'm going to just check it with this. Well, it says 156. I'm going to let this go a little bit longer. Alright, meat thermometer says it's done. Check this with the thermopen. And she is done. Take her out. Put her on inside. And we'll go. Alright, there's our smoked bird. She's out there about 4 hours. I'm going to let her rest because she's tired. And then we're going to slice into her and see what we got. Alright, smoked her. She's been out there about 4 hours. Get that skin off of there. We don't keep that skin. Use hickory wood chips on this. It should come out just beautiful. Look at that. There we go. Oh wow, it's good. Smoked turkey on a Weber in the wintertime.